How to articulate your thoughts clearly. Namaste. Are you interested in expressing your thoughts with clarity? Maybe you find that you struggle to communicate effectively your ideas, or they become jumbled, or you have difficulty articulating what you mean. Expressing yourself clearly during conversations might appear daunting. You might find yourself admiring individuals who speak eloquently, whether in person, your mentor, your colleague, or your boss, or on television, assuming they possess a unique talent that seems beyond your reach to acquire. However, mastering the ability to communicate your thoughts effectively isn't exclusively to a privileged few. It's entirely achievable to cultivate the skill. To communicate effectively and express yourself clearly, it's essential to begin by refining your thoughts, sorting through your ideas, and arranging them in a structured manner will enable you to communicate them coherently and articulate them more effectively. Here's an approach outlined that can assist you in this endeavor. This process, which I personally employ to enhance my own articulation skills, comprises of three key steps. The first thing that will help you with your thought formulation is to read. Reading holds immense significance as it enriches your mind with fresh ideas, well organized thoughts, coherent structures, and a diverse vocabulary. Each encounter with a compelling book serves to imbibe your mind and your attention with these invaluable assets. Consider the extensive duration required for someone to write a book, along with the numerous revisions and the involvement of various individuals in the editing process. Publishing a book entails a substantial investment of time, effort, and financial resources. By leveraging the collective diligence of these contributors, you can enrich your mind with the polished outcome of their labor. Certain genres of books can significantly aid in honing your articulation skills. I suggest focusing on biographies, classical literature, accounts of historical events, business publications, or literary fiction. Exploring topics outside your usual reading preferences can introduce you to new subjects and communication styles, fostering growth in your ability to articulate yourself effectively. Ideally, aim to read 5 to 10 pages every day. Consistent exposure to new ideas and diverse communication styles is essential to integrate them into your thought process and everyday interactions effectively. So, how much time do I invest in reading? At an average, I read for an hour per day. And some of the books that I recommend, some of the personal examples, one that I've read a lot is The Courage to be Disliked. That is an amazing book so that you can understand the point better. The next step in the process involves writing. Engaging in writing activities aids in organizing and clarifying the thoughts you've gathered from reading. As previously mentioned, our speech is a reflection of our thinking, emphasizing the importance of organizing our thoughts before verbal expression. Writing serves as the most effective method for achieving this organization. Writing grants you the opportunity to meticulously unearth your thoughts, arrange them systematically, and discard irrelevant or redundant ideas that contribute little to your communication. If you often find yourself struggling to articulate your thoughts coherently, it's likely because you haven't taken the time to identify and organize your thoughts beforehand. Rushing into speaking without adequate preparation can lead to a disjointed communication. It's beneficial to establish a daily writing habit. I suggest committing to writing at least one page per day, whether in the morning or evening, according to your preference. You can opt for journaling or engage in formal writing exercises. The key is to consistently practice articulating your thoughts on paper and refining your organizational skills. The question that might come to your mind is, what should I be writing about every day? Let me help you with that. During your writing sessions, you can reflect on past experiences by documenting conversations, lessons learned, fears confronted, and challenges overcome. Alternatively, you can explore future aspirations, including goals, desires, and intentions regarding learning, actions, and communication with others. The range of topics you can write about is vast and varied. With consistent practice over a period of 2 weeks, you should observe tangible improvements in your ability to organize your thoughts effectively. The final step in this process is speaking. Here, you witness the culmination of the efforts invested in the preceding steps of reading and writing. Speaking enables you to express those refined thoughts, integrate them into your communication, and leave a lasting impression with your articulate expression. Arriving at this point marks your ultimate objective and the culmination of the sequence. The primary aim is to empower you to speak in a manner that exudes articulateness, clarity, and coherence. Where to start yourself to practice speaking? Select someone you trust and have a strong rapport with, whether it's a family member, friend, or trusted colleague. Practice impromptu speaking with them continuously for 5 minutes. This exercise will help you refine your spontaneous communication skills in a supportive environment. Choose a topic that resonates with you from your professional experiences, such as a concept you recently learned at work, or a successful strategy you implemented, or a meaningful conversation you had. Alternately, you can draw on insights gained from the book you read during steps 1 and 2 of this process. Opting for a topic you've already explored through reading or writing will facilitate a more fluid and articulate discussion during that impromptu speaking exercise. Before initiating the impromptu speaking session, take a moment to organize your thoughts effectively. Utilize the writing step of this process to structure your ideas and determine the most articulate manner of conveying them to your chosen listener. Once you've clarified your thoughts, commence the communication, ensuring a structured and coherent delivery of your message. Repeating this process consistently will train your brain to improve the organization of your thoughts and enhance your communication skills. Over time, you will find yourself sounding more articulate and coherent when speaking as a result of this dedicated practice. I have also learned a lot and come a long way in doing my YouTube videos. If you look at some of my initial videos, I have really struggled to articulate very clearly. But now I'm getting better, and so can you. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment on this video so that I can bring more of this to you. As always, employee wellness leads to successful business. Thank you.